Hello! So today is garden day. So I'm basically taking everything from last year. I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to till and prep the grounds for the new garden this year. So this is my process. Now before I go get my electric tiller and start tilling the land, I'm going to take all of the large weeds that kind of came through the weed barrier and some of the areas that didn't have a weed barrier on them. I'm going to take all of the large weeds and flowers and cover crops and I'm going to feed them to the chickens. All right, so all of the big stuff has been pulled out, weed barriers up. Now comes my least favorite part of gardening, is the tilling. Hand tilling is for young people or small gardens. I can't do hand tilling anymore, it's too much. I have an electric tiller now, which is a lifesaver. I thoroughly enjoy using the electric tiller. It does have its drawbacks though. If it gets stuck on anything or if you hit any wood or if it gets too much weeds in it, you have to stop everything and clean out the bottom of it, at least with the model I have. That being said, I would do this 1,000 times over trying to hand till ever again. So now it's time to roll out the weed barrier. The land has been tilled and everything is ready. I just don't want weeds to be poking through my garden because weeding a garden is the worst thing you could do. I mean, it's good for the garden. It's labor intensive and it never ends. So weed barrier is just going to be blocking the weeds from growing around the plants. So I bought this new weed barrier. It's supposed to be biodegradable. I've used heavy weed barrier in the past. It's this very thick, almost like high quality garbage bag plastic. This new weed barrier is very, very, very thin. I'm very curious to see if it actually does, kind of become biodegradable and taken into the ground, or if it's effective against blocking the weeds. So we'll find out.